This is my unboxing and review of the Pasonomi foldable aluminum stand for smartphones or tablets. It comes in a variety of colors. I picked up the black one. Some of the colors include silver, gold, black, gray, red, and rose gold. Here's some information about it. Very fashionable, multi-angle. You can adjust it in a lot of different ways. It's very, very sturdy. It has rubber guards over various parts of the stand to help protect it, and it's compatible with smartphones and tablets from 4 to 13 inches. It also supports laptops. So anyway, here's a look at what you get. It comes with a nice little pouch. It fits easily in your pocket. This is how it folds up when it's in the pouch. And I'm only going to be demonstrating it on my tablet today. So you can really feel the quality in it. It has a good weight. It's sturdy. You have rubber pads here, here, here to protect, and on the base over here, so it won't slide away. Your devices won't slide away. Everything will be good. If you were using this for a laptop, you kind of set it up something like that. So you'd have basically your laptop like that, or in whatever position that you like the most. You have a lot of different angle options. So anyway, let me go on to demonstrating this on a couple of different tablets. Here's my Nexus 7 tablet. I also really like the feel. It doesn't jiggle, it's not loose at all. Very sturdy. It's not hard to move. It has a really nice feel when manipulating the positions. And, really nice. Let me power this on so you can see a screen with it. So here's a tablet with the screen on, so you can get into a variety of angles with it. It's very easy to quickly adjust watching on the fly. You just go like that. Very, very quick and easy to adjust. If I want it more forward like this, I could do that. A lot of options. Now let me show you my iPad. I have it in a case, but it's a fairly slim case, and it does work with this at the same time. So let me it is perfect. And a little more forward. There we go. It's very nice, easy to use. And now let me show you with my phone. And here's with my iPhone 10. Very simple to manipulate, one-handed. If you want to change your viewing position on the fly, it's very cool. So anyway, that's the stand for you. The Pasonomi aluminum stand. Very good, highly recommend it. The normal price is around $15. I got it on Prime Day for around $9. You can find these on eBay for around $10, depending on the color. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.